everyone, so I just wanted to show you that I used, and you know, again, these get rusty, but I used that hot pink one. My nail broke all the way down. It was painful. Anyway, I'm using the neon pink from the Kryolan or Kryolan. I like to say Kryolan, but when I called the company, they were like, Kryolan. Like, whatever. Okay. And then this is NYX's hot pink. I'm pressing it in. And then smoothing it out. And then just dabbing the black. Very strong. And it's so intense, I'm going to try and buff it. And then use white. The white, I let the white go on the black to soften it. And then I just go over it. Wow. But look how intense. All I did was dab it once. And look at all that black. Again, blend it. I'm taking a separate brush to blend it with. And just go over the pink. Neon pink. The neon colors are really weird, but the neon pink has like an orange tone to it. Like the yellow has a green tone and the pink has an orange tone. And I'm just gonna try and go over some of that. Alright, as usual, just gonna wear black liner mascara, so let me finish my makeup and I'll be right back. Hey everyone, so this is the finish. Look, I did something I hate. I hate when women put a pink or a red inside the waterline. Any like red tones in the waterline make you look sick. But because that's the whole point of this look is the fluorescents, the neons. That's what I put on. I put on the neon pink from the LA Girl. I put that in the waterline and the inner corners as my lip liner. And then I put Countessa Flourescent on my lips. So it looks a little bit more like a bright pink than it does fluorescent, but and I used the hot pink as my blush as well. So yeah, that was pretty strong. I had to really blend it down. Yeah. Oh, last week, oh my goodness, so I used the warmer toned highlighter from my palette, and I noticed in my pictures I look like I had some sort of, I don't know, it looked weird on me. I just can't wear those colors. I think the warmer toned highlighters I need to use as an eyeshadow or something.